What if I told you you're sitting on a gold mine and don't even know it? In the next few minutes, we're revealing the secret strategy top influencers use to turn casual followers into high-paying customers. And it's easier than you think. Stick around to see how you can start making serious money today. Ever wonder why some influencers have such loyal followers while others struggle to make a connection? It's all about authenticity. Being genuine and transparent with your audience isn't just a buzzword. It's the secret sauce to building trust. And trust, that's crucial for turning followers into loyal customers. When you're authentic, you show your audience the real you. Share personal experiences, both the highs and the lows. People relate to honesty, and it's this connection that makes them more likely to follow your recommendations. For example, if you're promoting an affiliate product, don't just list its features and benefits. Share your honest review. Talk about why you love the product, how it has helped you, and even mention any drawbacks. This level of transparency sets you apart and strengthens your credibility. Let's dive into some strategies. First, always test the products you promote. This enables you to speak from experience and provide genuine insights. Second, use storytelling. People love stories. They are memorable and create an emotional connection. Explain how a particular product solved a problem for you. Third, engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages and ask for their opinions. This interaction shows that you care and value their input, making them more likely to trust your recommendations. So here's a question for you. Have you ever felt connected to an influencer because they shared a personal story or honest opinion about a product? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit DigMarketing101.com and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. Diversifying your content types is a game changer for keeping your audience engaged. Imagine only sharing photos on Instagram or just posting text updates on Facebook. It can get pretty monotonous, right? That's why mixing different content types like videos, blog posts, and stories keeps things fresh and exciting. Videos are fantastic because they offer a dynamic way to connect with your audience. They can see and hear you, which builds a stronger connection. Blog posts, on the other hand, allow for deep dives into topics. They're perfect for detailed product reviews where you can elaborate on pros and cons. Stories are another brilliant tool, especially on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. They're short, ephemeral, and great for quick updates or behind-the-scenes peeks. When it comes to creating compelling content that highlights affiliate products, think about the different ways you can showcase them. For example, do an unboxing video to share your first impressions, followed by a blog post that dives into a detailed review. Use stories to give quick tips or show the product in action. It's also essential to keep your audience's preferences in mind. Some people prefer watching videos, while others might like reading blogs. By offering a variety of content types, you cater to different preferences and keep your audience engaged. Plus, it helps you reach a broader audience since different formats can be shared and discovered in various ways. Now, here's a question for you. Have you noticed a difference in engagement when you mix up the content types you share? Okay, let's talk about crafting persuasive calls to action, or a CTA, that actually get your followers to make a purchase. First, your CTA needs to be clear and direct. Think about the most successful ads you've seen. They don't beat around the bush. Instead of saying, check this out, say, buy now or shop today. Your audience should know exactly what you want them to do. Placement is crucial too. You can't just throw a CTA at the end of your post and call it a day. Integrate it naturally throughout your content. For example, if you're doing a blog post, mention your CTA. In the introduction, remind your readers halfway through and drive it home at the conclusion. In videos and stories, use pop-up text or verbal cues to prompt action. Urgency is another powerful tool. People are more likely to act if they feel they might miss out on something important. Phrases like limited time offer, only a few left in stock, or sale ends tonight create a sense of urgency that can spur your audience into immediate action. Incentives also play a significant role. Everyone loves a good deal, right? Offer a discount, free shipping, or a bonus gift when they act now. A compelling incentive combined with a well-placed, clear call to action can make all the difference in driving conversions. Consider this. Have you experimented with limited time offers or exclusive deals in your CTA? What impact did it have on your engagement and sales?